Hi, it's me. Hi, it's me, and I'm alive. And today, it's my birthday. No, it's not my birthday. And no, I don't celebrate birthdays. But it feels like it's my birthday because today I'm really, really happy. I have few gifts. Cut. This beauty is Euphorbia stellata, and as you can see it has nice trunk, so next year it grows faster when the trunk is under, and next year I can just put it out so the trunk will be beautiful. You can Google Euphorbia stellata. Oh god, I'm so excited. I'm really, really excited. Then I think this is Euphorbia mammillaris variegata. It's very, very good. And it's very beautiful, and there is 3 of them inside. So I will have 3 plants. Isn't it gorgeous? Mammillaria. It's really, really beautiful. Oh, I just bought it, just a tiny one. And then I saw this huge one. Of course I bought it. When I saw this plant, I was thinking, oh my god. No matter what, I need to have it. It's so... I kinda like weird plants. And this one is Stapelia. Stapelia cristata or monstrosa. Look how gorgeous this Stapelia is. Look how gorgeous it is. I just had to have it. There is another Stapelia, and I hope, Saga, that you are watching, because you said that you think we got the same plants, and yes, we did. We got this one, is the same. This one also. So another Stapelia, perfect. Tiny babies. And I got another living stone. I'm kinda into them right now. They're so gorgeous. This little beauty looks so fake, but it's so real. I didn't even know that they make such a small pots. How can I... Okay, I have an iPhone. Just normal iPhone. Look how tiny it is. Very tiny. And it's really cute. I'm loving it. Little Sulcorebutia rauchiae violasidermis. It is totally gorgeous. I saw this on Instagram. Oh look, there are small babies. Tiny babies inside. Woohoo! Epiphyllum of some sort. I have no idea. This one, oh, it was so cute. So cute. I just had to have it. Oh, gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous. And everything started with a post. My boss is calling. Stop! I want to know is if you know what this is. If you know what this is, let me know in the comments below. But not least, purchase, or actually this one was a gift from my boyfriend, so this is... Oh my god, I'm so excited! Ta-da! I can't believe I have it. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. It's euphorbia lactosea variegata. It's really, really beautiful. So I'm guessing needs plenty of light because it's so white and barely can. Oh, can you imagine? I'm so in love. So now I will do what I always do. Spray all the plants with my pesticides, and then I will replant some plants in a better soil, and this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later. Bye!